In fact, India Today has also confronted AAP Neta Somnath Bharati. Let me take you through those reactions coming in as India Today tries to get answers from Aam Aadmi Party Netas to see if they do take accountability on the assault case on their own sitting MP, Swati Maliwal. Somnath Bharati, they are losing his cool while pertinent questions being asked. I'm going to toss straight across.
No,
My
please.
question to you,
No,
sir.
I'm done.
Mr. Bibhav Kumar's videos.
I'm done with you. I'm done with you. Please. I'm busy in elections. Okay. Don't give fabricated stories to people.
People fabricated stories. Sanjay Singh has held a press conference and spoken about it.
People want you to question BJP that what have they done in the last 10 years.
Of course we have questioned.
Please question.
Of course
Thank
we
you.
have
All right.
questioned. Why do you think I'm here asking you about what you intend to do?
I'm done.
All right, that's Sneha Murdani there asking a question to Somnath Bharati, Aam Aadmi Party Neta, who refuses to answer. But this has been really the norm there across the board for the Aam Aadmi Party, be it Arvind Kejriwal, the Chief Minister himself, or his MPs, Sanjay Singh, India Bloc allies, Akhilesh Yadav, have all refused to wade into this issue, claiming that there are several other bigger issues to be discussed. Why stick to this? Sneha Murdani is with us on the phone line. Sneha, please go on. Somnath Bharati, skipping away from the question you asked.
Well, absolutely. Nabila, in fact, he said he's in the middle of a campaign and is not aware. And then when I persisted, he said that Swati Maliwal herself has not spoken about this. I said Sanjay Singh has, to which he said that this is not an election issue, this is not a campaign issue. And he's also, in fact, asked questions of us as to whether we are focusing on crimes against women, say in Manipur, for example, or the Prajwal Revanna case. These were questions, in fact, asked by Somnath Bharati to us. Of course, we have been focusing on these issues, and this is what I said. However, Somnath Bharati was not keen on responding to these allegations also, and the fact that Sanjay Singh had indeed confirmed that Bibhav Kumar, I beg your pardon, had misbehaved with Swati Maliwal. Also not answering any of my questions on how the pictures of Bibhav Kumar have surfaced with the Delhi Chief Minister, where action has been promised. Why is that action is not being taken against him? And he, however, refused to answer any of those questions that I posed to him, saying that he's in the middle of the campaign and he can't be commenting on those issues. He was upset with the manner in which I persisted to put that interview out as well. But he was upset with the manner in which I persisted asking these questions. Remember, the Aam Aadmi Party has in the past raised several issues, including the Prajwal Revanna case. So these are questions that the senior leadership of the Aam Aadmi Party must answer. Swati Maliwal, I told him, is no ordinary leader in the AAP scheme of things. She is a Rajya Sabha MP from the Aam Aadmi Party. He did, in fact, say that she's been quiet, obviously hinting at a conspiracy of sorts, but not willing to answer any question on the fact that Sanjay Singh in his press conference had admitted that there was indeed a case involving Bibhav Kumar.
Thanks very much, Sneha, for joining us on that. All right, well, Sneha Murdani tried to speak to Somnath Bharati. He refused to respond, calling these allegations as fabricated. I'm going to take you through that full-length interaction. Have a listen.
Questions are now being raised as to why Mr. Bibhav Kumar, who has, by your own admission, your party's own admission, harassed and assaulted Swati Maliwal, and he's now, the pictures of Mr. Kejriwal that appeared with Mr. Bibhav Kumar. One second, sir. Let me please complete my question.
Let me complete it first.
Yes, okay.
I am in the campaign. I have no knowledge about any of these. I'm busy campaigning. So you should go and question.
But sir, Swati Maliwal is your Rajya Sabha MP. I mean, making a statement of this nature. But Mr. Sanjay Singh has said, Mr. Sanjay Singh has admitted. No, Mr. Sanjay Singh has said.
Why don't you go and question Mr. Modi on 3,006 videos?
We've been questioning that. Of course, we have questioned the BJP on these issues. Right now, I'm not going to be able to produce you videos, but we've questioned. India Today has only been questioning. Yes.
Which is dedicated to Karnataka's MP.
Non-stop dedication.
3,006 videos.
Non-stop dedication. Non-stop dedication. My question to you, sir.
No, I'm done.
Mr. Bibhav Kumar's videos.
I'm done with you. I'm done with you. Please. I'm busy in elections. Okay. Don't give fabricated stories to people.
Fabricated stories. Sanjay Singh has held a press conference and spoken about it.
People People want you to question BJP that what have they done in last 10
Of
years.
course we have questioned.
Please question.
Of course
Thank
we
you.
have
All right.
questioned. Why do you
Okay.
think I'm here asking you about what you intend to do?
I'm done.